How to turn off iPhone camera auto enhance. To get started, go ahead and open up the settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to camera. This is the camera settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, go to record video at the top. Scroll down to the end and turn off the HDR video feature. Then, go back to the settings and go to apps at the bottom. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find photos and open it. You are now in the photo settings page. Once you're here, scroll down to the HDR section and turn off the View Full HDR feature. Following these steps, you can easily turn off iPhone camera auto enhance. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.